If you're studying full-time and have children or an adult who depends on you financially, you might be able to get some extra help. Dependence grants are paid on top of your other student finance and don't usually have to be paid back unless you leave your course early. Grants for dependents are available to eligible students regardless of your age, but the amount that you could receive may depend on if you have a partner, and if so, what their income is. If you are a single parent, the student loan company would usually expect you to receive full additional dependence grant support. To apply, firstly, your maintenance loan must be fully means tested. This means that SLC will already know whose income will be used in the assessment for any extra support. If applicable, partners will already have supplied their income details for your maintenance loan, so there is usually no additional information to send in. The most common additional support is for students that have children. Parents' Learning Allowance is available to all student parents, even if your children do not require childcare support. Remember though, if you live with a partner, their income may affect this grant. The Parents' Learning Allowance, PLA, is automatically paid in addition to your maintenance loan, once you have supplied evidence of a child's dependency on you. If your children are in Ofsted-approved childcare, the childcare grant is available on top of the standard support, which can pay up to 85% of your overall childcare costs directly to your provider. Again, if you live with a partner, their income may affect this grant. You are entitled to apply for this providing that you or your partner are not claiming the childcare element of working tax credit, the childcare element of universal credit, or any other tax-free childcare. You do not need to have signed up for childcare at this point, as you'll simply be advised of the maximum support you can get if you decide to take up childcare. You will have to register with the Childcare Grant Payment Service, accessed through your online student finance account. Once registered, your provider can issue invoices for any childcare they have carried out. If the invoice is correct and you're happy to, you can approve the release of funds from your overall pot, which goes directly to your childcare provider. As simple as that. When you're applying for this extra support, SLC will ask you to submit evidence of your child's identity, usually a copy of each dependent child's birth certificate, adoption certificate, passport, or certificate of naturalization. Finally, if you have an adult that is dependent on you and your student income, you could be eligible for an additional adult dependence grant. The maximum adult dependence grant available can be awarded to you for either your partner or another adult dependent on you, but only if their income is less than the threshold amount. You do not need to apply separately for ADG. SLC will usually use the same partner income details that you have supplied for your normal maintenance loan assessment. In most instances, applicants do not need to send in any extra evidence, but even if you are asked for evidence, you can digitally upload it via your online account. For more detailed information support for students with caring responsibilities and extra information about maximum amounts, evidence requirements, and how to apply, please visit thestudentroom.co.uk/student-finance/full-time.